Hello and welcome back to GoNext. In our previous lessons, we explored the 8 types of pronouns, like personal, possessive, and reflexive pronouns. Today, we're unlocking the power of questions with the 9th type, interrogative pronouns. Your friend says, the gift is hidden. Without interrogative pronouns, you couldn't ask the right questions. But with them, you demand answers. What is the gift? Which box is it in? Who hid it? Interrogative pronouns are used to form questions about an unknown noun. The 5 interrogative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, what. Replacing nouns in questions. Statement: the key opens the box. Question: what opens the box? Here, what replaces the key? Statement: the box is blue. Question: what color is it? Here, what replaces the box is blue. Statement: the box belongs to someone. Question: whose box is it? Here, whose replaces the box belongs to someone. Pronoun: a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. Interrogative: a word used specifically to form questions. Interrogative pronouns, who, whom, whose, which, and what, serve as the foundation for constructing meaningful questions. By mastering their use, you can communicate inquiries with accuracy and confidence. Key pronouns with examples. Who. We use who when asking about a person as the subject of a sentence. Example: who is coming to the party? Whom. We use whom when asking about a person as the object of a verb or preposition. Example: whom did you invite? Whose. We use whose when asking about possession, whether for people or things. Example: whose book is this? Which. We use which when asking about a choice between specific people or things. Example: which is your favorite movie? What. We use what when asking general questions about things. Example: what is your name? Functions of interrogative pronouns. Ask specific questions. Get precise answers. What do you like? Distinguish people versus things. People: who is your teacher? Things: which dress do you prefer? Show possession. Identify owners: whose keys are these? Make questions natural. Awkward: the person who won? Natural: who won? Clarify choices. General: what car? Any. Specific: which car? From options. Interactive task: try rewriting these statements as questions using who, whom, whose, which, or what. The team scored the winning goal. This phone belongs to someone. Examples of interrogative pronouns in sentences. Identifying objects. What is in your hand? Requests information about an object. What do you want to eat? Asks about a general category. Referring to people. Who is at the door? Asks about a person's identity. Who broke the vase? Identifies responsibility. Specifying choices. Which is your favorite color? Selects from options. Which of these shirts fits you? Compares specific items. Showing possession. Whose bag is lying here? Asks about ownership. Whose keys are on the table? Identifies the owner. Formal inquiry, object form. Whom should we thank for this? Formal object question. General inquiry. What happened here? Seeks an explanation. Story practice, the locked box. Before we dive into the exercise, think about a mysterious box you once found. What questions would you ask about it? Jot down your ideas using who, what, which, whose. We'll use your questions in our practice next. Ready? Go. 1. Who lost the box? Lily did. 2. What was inside it? A mysterious treasure. 3. Which key opens it? The small silver one. 4. Whose name is engraved? Lily's. Everyone, take 1 minute to read through these questions and think about which interrogative pronoun fits best in each blank. I'll give you a moment. Blank put this box here, asked Alex. We use who because we are asking about a person who is the subject of the action. Blank key fits it? The small one or the large one? Which key fits it? Which is correct because we are choosing between specific options like the small or large key. Jamie checked the labels. Blank name is on the box? We should return it. Whose name is on the box? Who shows possession as we want to know which person the box belongs to. Blank should we contact about it, wondered Alex. Whom should we contact? Whom is used here because it functions as the object of the verb contact in more formal usage. And blank is written on this note inside? What is written on this note? What asks about the content or thing, specifically the information on the note? That's a wrap on interrogative pronouns. Thank you for joining me in today's lesson. I hope you now feel confident using who, whom, whose, which, and what to ask clear, precise questions. Keep practicing, and soon it'll become second nature. Loved this interactive lesson? Here's how to stay connected. Subscribe at GoNext Learn for more fun grammar breakdowns. Comment below with, which pronoun trick surprised you most? What topic should we cover next? Share this with a friend who'd enjoy it. Your feedback helps me create lessons you find useful. See you in the next one.